Hey, ¿cómo se llama? Antonio Montana. And you? What you call yourself? Where you learn to speak the English, Tony? From the school? And my father, he was from United States, just like you guys. He used to take me to the movies and show me movies of Humphrey Bogart and stuff like that. I always knew one thing to coming here to the United States. So where is your old man now? He dead. He died. Mother, she died too. What kind of work did you do in Cuba, Tony? Just this construction work. I used to go into the army, and do a lot of work with my hands. Any cousins you have? Yeah, no. Everybody stay in Cuba. You ever been to jail, Tony? Me? Jail? No. No. You ever been to mental hospital? Yeah, in the boat coming over here, man. What about homosexuality, Tony? You like man? Or you like to dress up like a woman? Hey, what's wrong with this guy, huh? Is he mad or something? Just answer the questions, Tony. Well, no. Arrested for vacancy, for marijuana, for any drugs? No. Cocaine? No. Where you get the beauty scar, tough guy? Eating pussy? How I gonna get a scar like that eating pussy, man? Huh? It was when I was a kid. You should see the other kid, man. And this, that's for my sweetheart, For my sweetheart. Sweetheart, my ass. We are seeing more of these day by day. Some sort of code they are using, these guys. You gonna tell us more about this, Tony, or we gonna take you to the detention center? Okay, you got me. I was in the can one time, doing something with the dollars. It was a Canadian tourist I robbed. Are you fooling us? Take this guy around. Take him out of here. Hey, come on, hey. Hey, let me talk. Hey, let me talk something, huh? Hey. Are you a communist? Huh? How you feel when they tell you what to think, what to feel? They treat you like other people, man. And they treat you like sheep. Like bah. Puta, I'm not listening to his bullshit. Well, you work 16 hours a day, man. You own nothing, man. And they watch you every day, man. Like everything you do, everything you say, man. I eat octopus 3 times a day, man. Fucking octopus is coming out of my ears. Fucking Russian shoes are coming through my feet. What do you think I'm gonna do? Hey, man, I'm no fucking whore. I'm not a thief. I'm a political prisoner from Cuba. And I want my human rights, just like President Jimmy Carter says. Okay? You gotta give him his human rights, I'm saying. What do you say? I don't believe the word he says. I don't believe this guy. That fucking Castro is actually fucking with us. Send him to Freedom Town. Let them handle him. You know something, man? You can send me here, there, everywhere, man. But you can't do anything more to me than my president has done to me already, man.